It's that time of year when mailboxes are flooded with tax forms.
But as KSL investigator Matt Gephardt shows us, there's one form for which you need to be on the lookout. Matt?
Yeah, Denny Mike, this first came to our attention from a Utah man who got a notice that he'd opened a business credit card, but he doesn't even have a business. Clearly fraud, right? But as we began digging, we discovered many Utahns are facing a nasty double whammy. First, they are victims of identity theft. Then they are told they owe taxes on what the bad guy stole in their name. Tax time to refamiliarize ourselves with all those IRS forms. All right, you've got the 1040, that's what you fill out to file. And then, of course, there's the forms that say what you earned last year, your W-2 or your 1099 if you're a contractor. 1099, not to be confused with the 1099K. That form is reserved exclusively for folks who get paid for their work through a peer-to-peer service like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle. Think like your hairdresser, house cleaner, or kid's piano instructor. Or maybe if like you sell a whole bunch of stuff online and get paid through an app. It's how the government knows how much tax they are owed on those earnings. But Susan Spears says if you get a 1099K that you were not expecting,
I'm a little bit worried about there's some fraudulent activity going on with your Social Security number.
Spears runs the Utah Association of CPAs. She says some identity thieves are receiving payments for goods or services under their victims' names. And the victim has no idea until they receive the tax form, which says they have earned taxable income from sales or services that they did not perform.
We've seen a little bit of this.
If you get a 1099K and you suspect fraud, you would need to report that to the IRS, your financial institutions, and law enforcement to try and resolve the issue and clear up any mistaken income reporting. It's not always easy. I don't have a business account. I don't even have the Venmo app. I get one of these. Can I just ignore it?
No, do not ignore this stuff. If you're getting this kind of information in the mail, somebody's got your information.
News that crooks are using these peer-to-peer programs for their dirty deeds is not surprising. Peer-to-peer payment systems have become a thief favorite because they allow for fast, direct transfers with relatively low levels of oversight. If you got a problem you want me to look into, let me know about it. The number, 385-707-6153, or you can email me, matt@ksl.com.
Good warning. Be on the lookout. All right. Thank you, Matt.